So we're here today with Dr. Popkin of Premier Total Healthcare, going to speak to everybody about PRP, better known as platelet-rich plasma therapy. Big words, Doc. Fill us in. Let us know what this PRP is all about.
Okay, well, platelet-rich plasma, PRP, to really understand what it is the blood is made up of a couple different components. You've got the plasma, which is the fluid that the cells float around in. You got white cells, red cells, and platelets. So what we do is these platelets, they do different functions in the body, but one of the things that they have and one of the things that they do is they provide growth factors for repair. So what we do is you draw your blood, spin it down, separate out the components, and then concentrate the platelets into the plasma and re-inject it into an injured area so that we get those growth factors concentrated where we want them to be. Let's say in your shoulder, if you have a rotator cuff damage that needs to be repaired, into your knee, if you've hurt your knee, things of that nature.
So you said right there, injectable. And then obviously for, sounds like areas of pain, discomfort, joint specific, what are the utilizations of PRP?
Okay, so PRP, basically we can inject it anywhere that you have an injury. Typically what we see in the office here, patients that have shoulder problems, rotator cuff tears, biceps tendonitis, people who have tennis elbow, people who have muscle and tendon tears, not complete tears, of course, those are surgical repairs, but people who have partial tendon and muscle tears, we inject into those areas. We also do PRP into the scalp for hair growth, which is quite exciting.
So what it sounds like is the benefit here is using your own blood.
Correct. That's called autologous. And the good part about this is that we're taking your body's own blood products and re-injecting them. We're concentrating them and re-injecting them into your body. So what that does is that helps to decrease the side effects. It's not a drug we're putting in your body that you could have an allergic reaction to. It's not prednisone or a steroid that can cause other harmful effects. So the fact that it's your own blood is good.
All natural.
All natural, and
Wow.
that's the good part about it.
So how often are you doing this and how long does it last? So for instance, if I have a tennis elbow, like you mentioned, and I get a PRP injection, how often do I have to do that? How long does it last?
It's very individualized. A lot of people get benefit off of just doing one therapy session. Essentially what we do is we inject the portion of the body that's injured, and we wait about 4 to 6 weeks for your body to help to regenerate those tissues that were damaged, decrease the inflammation, and allow your body to do what it's supposed to do. In most cases, we really only have to do one treatment. The exception would be for hair regrowth. Typically, that takes between 2 and 4 sessions injecting into the scalp.
So that being all natural, sounding like it doesn't have to be administered often. Big question, any side effects?
Well, that's the good part about it. The side effects are minimal because we're using your body's own products. Like with any injection, you can get irritation at the injection site, infection, but really that's essentially it because we're not using something that is foreign to your body.
And if someone is interested in finding out more information, starting a PRP program, how do they go about that?
Sure. Well, like anything else, you come into the office, you do a consultation to see if this is even something that you want to do. And then if it is, we go and do an in-depth history and physical exam to find out what the problem is. We do appropriate imaging, whether it's x-rays or MRI, to properly diagnose the condition to see if it's something that PRP will help. And then it's as simple as drawing your blood, we spin it down, inject it into the injured site, and it's about as simple as that.
Sounds like PRP is natural, magical blood that's going to just help you out overall.
Correct. It really is, and then used in the right setting, it accomplishes the goal, which is to get your body to heal faster in a natural way, as opposed to using drugs or surgical procedures that may not necessarily be necessary.
Well, you heard it there. Dr. Popkin, Premier Total Healthcare. Schedule a free consultation and let him get you hooked up with some PRP.
Look forward to seeing you.